time again for another episode of Cooking with the Community. I'm your host, Danielle Hagler, Nelson County Cooperative Extension Agent for 4-H Youth Development. Today, we're going to be visiting the Nelson County Fire Department with Chief Billy Mattingly, as he's going to teach us his favorite way to make ramen noodles. Also, make sure you listen up for your health tips, your ag facts, and information about community agencies that help families in need. Stay tuned for lots more fun episodes.
Hey everyone, I'm Terry Spriggs from the Nelson County Extension Office, and I am here to talk to you for a second about washing your hands. So we really need to wash our hands all day, every day, before we eat, after we use the bathroom, and anytime our hands are just dirty. So make sure you wash those hands to get those germs off, because you can't always see the germs that are on your hands. So wash those hands, scrub-a-dub-dub with some soap and water, and keep your hands safe and healthy.
Hello, welcome to the Firehouse. Today we're going to build our own ramen. This is Jessica.
And this is Chief Mattingly. So there are a lot of different ways that you can make your ramen or ramen noodles.
Tomato.
But today we're going to go over the way that we like to make our ramen noodles. The first thing that you're going to need is your ramen noodles. We chose chicken flavor. You will need 2 cups of water, a 5-ounce can of chicken, 1 cup of mixed vegetables. You will need a seasoning of your choice. We chose the blend. This is a salt, pepper, and garlic blend. And then you will also need that package of seasoning in the ramen noodles.
First thing we're going to do is get our noodles ready to cook. Me personally, I like to smash mine up.
And don't forget to pull that little package out. We don't want to microwave those. So pull that out.
We dump them in our bowl. We add our water.
And always remember, when you are using water, to use a liquid measuring cup for accurate measurements.
So we're going to throw this in the microwave for 5 minutes.
It is going to be hot, so Billy did grab a towel to kind of keep from burning his fingers. And we also like to add some mixed vegetables to our ramen. This is just a can of mixed vegetables. We're going to add the chicken. Now we chose to use a chicken in a can, so you'll drain all of the juice off and then you will pour that in. Now if you have chicken already cooked up at home, you could always shred some chicken breast and you can add that kind of chicken in there as well, but this is the easiest way. We're going to stir it up and we're going to put it in the microwave. We're going to cook it for about 30 seconds. Then we're going to bring it out and stir it again and heat for another 30 seconds just to make sure it's heated thoroughly. Okay, so we have cooked this for a minute, and now we are going to add the seasonings. We are going to use 1 teaspoon of the seasoning that came in the pack with the noodles. And then we chose to add 1/4 teaspoon of, again, this is called the blend. It is a salt, pepper, and garlic blend. You can use whatever you like. If you would like to use just a garlic powder, or an onion powder, or an Italian seasoning, or lemon pepper. Be creative and try some different things. Delicious.
Good. Very good.
Well, thank you all for cooking with us today. Bon appetit.
Enjoy.
Hi everyone, my name's Nicole Howard and I'm one of the 4-H agents here in Nelson County, and I wanted to share an ag fact with you. So Kentucky is home to about 76,500 farms. The average farm size is 170 acres. So about 13 million acres of Kentucky is farmland, which is about 51% of the state.
Hi, my name is Woody Lee. I'm one of the mentors here at the New Life Center, and I just wanted to let you know that we're here for a resource during your pregnancy or even after pregnancy. We love to see the family. We can help you in many ways. Our phone number here is 233-8003.